Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Stripe payment in Woocommerce. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the left side menu and click on Plugins. After that, click on Add Plugins. Now move to the search bar at the top right side and type Woocommerce. You will see the Woocommerce plugin appear in the search results. Click on Install Now and wait a few seconds for the installation to finish. Once the Install button changes, click on Activate. After activating Woocommerce, the Setup wizard will open automatically. Follow the setup process by filling in your store information like store name, country, currency, and any other details it asks for. Continue through the setup until everything is completed. Once Woocommerce is ready, go back to the left side menu and click on Plugins again. Then select Add Plugins one more time. This time, go to the search bar and type Woocommerce Stripe Gateway. When you find the plugin in the search results, click on Install Now. Wait for the installation to complete, then click on Activate. After activation, the plugin will ask you to connect your Stripe account. Click on the button to log into Stripe. You can log in with your existing Stripe account, use a test account, or create a brand new Stripe account if you do not already have one. Follow the instructions shown on the screen and allow WordPress to connect with Stripe. Once the connection is complete, Stripe payment will be successfully set up in Woocommerce. Thanks for watching.